Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudstepin Technologies. I'm full stack Python developer and I will be guiding you through this session about our training programs. Let's get started. This is our website. Under trainings page, you will get all trainings related information. This is trainings page. These are our training services. We provide a complete IT career journey through our training programs. One is IT Foundation and IT Specialization and IT Internship program. So first we will discuss about IT Foundation course. So this is IT Foundation course. We offer 2 months IT fundamentals course for students from 8th grade to graduates, helping them build a strong foundation for a successful IT career, covering essential topics like computer evolution, networking, cloud computing, programming, databases, data analytics, and more. This program is designed to help students discover their passion, choose the right career path, and prepare for future specializations with lab sessions, career advisory, Q&A sessions, online and offline learnings, tech terminology, basic etiquettes, and personal guidance. Students gain both technical knowledge and professional readiness to thrive in the evolving IT industry. We will cover all fundamentals of these courses. So next we will move to IT specialization course. We have a 3 months IT specialization program made for graduates from any background. In this program, you will learn some of the most important and in-demand technologies today, like AWS, Azure, Java, Python, DevOps, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, and data analytics. But we won't just focus on theory. You will work on real projects and hands on labs, so you will actually know how things work in real world situations. Along with technical training, we also help you with certifications, career advice, mentoring, question and answer sessions, flexible learning options like offline and online, and even support to build your resume. By the end of this program, you will have strong skills, confidence, and be fully ready to face interviews and grab job opportunities in the IT industry. And the last program is IT internship program. So this is IT internship program. IT internship program designed for graduates to gain deep hands-on expertise and become fully interview ready. This 4 months program includes a monthly stipend and the industry recognized internship certificate, offering comprehensive training across all essential IT domains with real world practical experience. Along with technical skills, participants receive career advisory, certification roadmap, resume building, placement support, mock interviews, and soft skills training and professional grooming. The internship program, specially made for like bridges the gap between academics and industry demands, empowering students to confidently excel in interviews and start their IT careers with strong technical and professional skills. So this is all about training programs. By the end of this course, you will understand the core concepts and gain practical skills to build projects and solve real problems. Thank you.